Sabah everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys some unique wallpapers that enable us to customize our lock screen and our home screen on our Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus with some really cool innovative wallpapers that incorporate the punch hole camera into the design of the wallpaper, making it look almost like it's not there, or even if it is, it's basically part of the actual design. This is TK. Let's check them out. Subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you're always notified whenever we put out new videos on the channel. Front-facing cameras are something that we've had for quite some time, and the way we've incorporating them basically keeps changing year after year. We're getting to the point where we no longer have a punch hole camera in the front with pop-up mechanisms in 2019, but for the Galaxy Note 10 and 10 Plus, we have it basically that we have a punch hole camera sitting there. And whenever you bring it up, you'll notice right there in the wallpaper, my wallpaper currently almost outlines the inner part of the display so that it doesn't actually even show that it's there. But this was something that I looked for. This is not something that was included in the application we're talking about today. So today we're going to talk about Wallpix. Wallpix is basically a Note 10 and Note 10 Plus punch hole 4K HD wallpaper application, and of course you just basically open it up. I'll go ahead and go back here real quick. So right there, that's Crillon just flying out there, and you'll notice again all of the different wallpapers that we have here are incorporating some type of basically a hole that sits at the top right there. So right now it's offset because I don't have it set up correctly, but you can hear you get the Galaxy in there. And this is very similar to the way we saw it on the S10 and the S10 Plus, except their configuration was mostly focused to have it on the top right, as that's where the cameras were. But let's say here we have Iron Man. So we're sitting right there, Iron Man, and we have basically the arc reactor sitting right above there. Very unique, very good customizable one. Even when we go into the karate one or the ninjas, you'll notice that this will actually kind of encompass it and cover it at the top. Spider-Man holding and basically swinging straight from it is definitely very cool. Iron Man, of course, with the actual hole that will basically fill it up directly here within his arm. Of course, we have Wally hanging in from it. We have Pac-Man getting into it. We have, of course, Kowalski sitting right there. And then, of course, the bars. We have obviously all the different ones, basketball, different options. They have a lot of wallpapers, very, very nice. Here's Crillon. There's a couple of options you can do. You can download the original wallpaper. The resolution by default is 1440 by 3040. Again, it's a 4K wallpaper. It's really, really nice. And it says Crillon. It's on fire, obviously, since it's one of the basically Wallpix originals. And then, of course, you can save it, favorite, or set it. I'll go ahead and hit set. And you can set it directly on both home screen or lock screen. I'm just going to set it for my home screen as I have a live wallpaper set up there. So it says wallpaper set. I'll go ahead and turn it off, and then you can see right there it aligns itself, and now it looks like Crillon is grabbing the camera to try to build up basically an energy ball straight out of there. It works very, very nicely. It's very easy to set, and then let's go ahead and switch it one more time. And again, it depends on the actual configuration on your display. You can definitely go with something like this. I'll hit set, I'll say home screen, swipe it away, and again it just fits it and it looks really nice. It keeps everything clean, and of course at that point I probably would recommend you changing the actual icon pack on this to kind of match exactly what you want to get here. So it looks really good. It's very simple. Most of the ones that we had at the beginning are customizable, but you'll notice they are specifically called out for the Note 10. Same thing with the main home screen, but then after a while you start scrolling through, then the actual naming starts changing. So right there, so you have basically abstract, beach, you can go in there and then you can basically customize it. These are not necessarily made specifically for the Note, but at the beginning you'll notice right there, all of them I actually do specifically say like the Note. And then of course you can go in there and go into the different options. It is a free app and it is an ad supported free app, so just keep that in mind, and it obviously makes sense. It's giving us access to great wallpapers. Spidey hanging in directly from it I think will be probably the one I'm going to set with, and I'll leave it there and I'll go home, as it feel like it kind of matches and it looks really good, and again it just looks very nice, customized. And of course I'll have to change the wallpaper on the lock screen now to match that one. Some small, simple, easy application, and hope you guys enjoy it. Hope you guys like this application. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Like and subscribe as usual, and I'll see you guys in the next video.